In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Google Sheets. If you want to cross out text in a spreadsheet without deleting it, the Strikethrough option is a simple and useful formatting tool. It's great for marking completed tasks, showing outdated information, or visually indicating that something should no longer be considered active, while still keeping the text visible for reference. To begin, open your Google Sheet and find the text you want to format. Then select the cell, or highlight the range of cells that contains the text you want to strike through. Make sure you've selected the correct area before moving on, especially if you are working with multiple rows or columns. This will ensure the formatting is applied exactly where you want it. Once your cells are selected, go to the top menu bar and click on Format. This menu contains a variety of text and cell formatting options that let you change the appearance of your spreadsheet content. After clicking Format, move your cursor over the text option. This will open a submenu with several text styling choices. In that list, click Strikethrough. As soon as you select it, the text in your chosen cell or range will appear with a line through the middle. That's all it takes. The strikethrough effect is applied instantly, and it can help make your sheet easier to read and manage, especially when tracking progress or organizing lists. If you ever need to remove the strikethrough later, you can go back through the same menu and click Strikethrough again to toggle it off. One helpful tip is to use this formatting consistently. For example, if you are managing a checklist or project sheet, applying strikethrough to completed items can make your document more visually organized without removing important information. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your spreadsheet clear and professional. Thanks for watching.